They were the noises of the lightning jet fighters of the Red Arrow Squadron, which gave a display at Brands Hatch prior to the British Grand Prix. But at Brands, as at most circuits, the race cars flashed by the grandstands at pretty high speeds. One of the traditions of Grand Prix racing is that the winner receives a garland of laurel leaves and drinks champagne from his trophy. I find that almost as difficult as winning the darn race. Then a band usually plays the national anthem of the country where the car is built. In this final track, we hear Jack Brabham being greeted as the winner of the British Grand Prix. Brabham, who has been world champion 3 times, comes from Australia, and as he sets off on his lap of honor, the band plays Waltzing Matilda, the very unofficial anthem of his native country.